Welcome back. You are watching another episode on Texas Dream Homes. Today I have a beautiful lake view home built by Perry Homes located in a neighborhood in the Colony. So this is a brand new construction ready to move in. So if you're looking for a neighborhood that is made for people that want to be outdoors, doing activities, and also having a home that has a lake view, feel free to reach out. My contact info is on the screen and I will get you a tour and we can check out this beautiful home. So let's go ahead and get started and go into the details of this beautiful neighborhood. So Perry Homes built in the Tribute Westbury Village. So this home in particular is the 8533 plan. Like I said, it's ready to move in. It is listed at $841,900. It is a 3,300 square foot home, and it is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and it does have a half bath, so 3.5 baths. We'll take a look at the full home. Like I said, the cool thing is it's fully done, so you can move in within 30 days. Of course, if you use a builder's lender, you are gonna get some incentives towards closing. So right now is the time to get a pretty good deal on this home. Now, it's nice because you do have not a big backyard, but you do have 2 little entrances, so that's one that we saw, and you do have this nice covered patio here with this little entrance here down to this kind of side yard. If you do have some pets like dogs, they could still run around there, and you have a nice little covered patio. But really, the most time you're going to be spending outside is on all of the other amenities this neighborhood offers. So you do have an amazing community center with a kind of like a club with a gourmet menu. You do have 2 iconic golf courses there. You have a beautiful resort style pool. I'm talking about, it feels like you are in Cancun, Mexico, or any other place. It feels like you're definitely not in Texas. That lake or that pool has a view to the lake. You're kind of nestled between Lake Lewisville and the Colony area, so it's a really cool spot. You do have the lake, access to it, so you can enjoy kayaking, boating, fishing, everything like that. And you're not too far from everything else in North Dallas, so you can head down to Frisco or visit Grandscape, which is fairly close, and just go out and do all the entertainment stuff that you could do there. And as far as the home, it's a really nice home. It's a nice minimalistic kind of modern style. You have this really cool master bath here with that shower in the middle, big closet. You have a nice linen closet here. I love the shower and the tub in the middle. It kind of has a really cool modern vibe to it. You do have those big windows here in the master bath, and then we kind of walk down this hallway. You do have one of the half baths here, or actually the only half bath. A big laundry room here with some extra storage up top. A lovely mud room, which I love when they have these, so you can kind of set your jacket or shoes there and you don't have to go finding them, or they're all kind of all over the house. And you do have a pretty good 2-car garage as well. Now we'll check out upstairs as we go up here. The one thing I wish they did have is some type of balcony overlooking into the lake. This is the closest thing you'll get, which is a humongous living room / media room here. As you can see through the windows, you have the lake view. I wish you could see through it a little bit better. There was someone with a sailboat outside. It was a beautiful day, so definitely something that would be a dream home for someone that has a boat and loves to be out there. 4th of July must be so fun in this neighborhood. But you do have this huge game room space where you can kind of set up to have that view in the background. And then we'll check out the other bedrooms here. All the bedrooms are pretty good size. You do have a ton of storage up here too, some good linen closets. This is that first bedroom. So the width isn't, huge, but the length of it does make it fit a lot more stuff. So you're gonna have a bed, maybe a dresser right there in the middle with a TV would definitely fit nicely. And then we'll check out the closet space as well. So I would say not super small. You do have enough space there to fit a good amount of stuff. And you do have access to this bathroom right here, which is a full bath. And of course it shares with that other bedroom, but we'll walk around so I can show you guys the main entrance of it. So here is another bedroom, relatively the same size. The only difference is this one is gonna have a bathroom in it. We'll check out that closet space, which I believe is pretty much the same. So it's not super small, which is nice. A lot of the bedrooms this size usually get a tiny, tiny closet. And then you got your full bath here, which is a plus. And then we'll check out that last bedroom. But if you are interested in checking this neighborhood out or any other, they are gonna be building a new phase. Not sure when, but this is definitely some of the last homes they have available, and this one is ready to move in, ready for you to take advantage of some good deals. So make sure you reach out to me. My contact info is on the screen and in the link in the description, and I will see you at the closing table.